I'm going to take this template that I made, again 14 by 14. In fact, that Vlim, that smaller AC unit, you can cut out a 14 by 9 hole to minimize the cutout size. Let's get to cutting. There's a hole in my roof. All right guys, day 2. These all thread, and it's got a short piece of all thread and a long piece, and you screw them in up here. Visible side of the roof, meaning it sits like that. In my scenario, I've actually got a little bit of space to put up here. All right, it's so hot in here. So I got the bracket installed, and it's just this piece right here. I'm gonna get these bolts tightened down, make sure I don't see any sunlight up here all along the edge, make sure I got a good seal. So the next thing to do is just attach this faceplate, and it just comes with a couple of screws. And there's 2 wiring harnesses, and you can't mess it up because they're completely different. So we're going to plug these in and hopefully get this mounted to the ceiling, and hopefully it's going to be flush. We'll see. With all that said, guys, it's up there. Let's see, cut this thing on. Okay,